I'm Phillip Nicholls, Policy Advisor at the Residential Landlords Association Cymru, and I've come here today to learn more about the passage of a bill and the stage that we can best influence the decision makers. Today, there was a number of things discussed. The main one was a theoretical about how a bill basically becomes an act, how the committee interacts with the Assembly, and how that process combined comes up with a finished article, something that is actually proper law and something which can be practically followed. Basically, what I learned is that there's flexibility for us, but there are specific things we've got to think about with regards to our statement being easy to read, but yet again ensuring that we do get in what we want to and that we get our message across in as effective a way as possible. Ensure it's simple and concise, ensure it's to the point, but making sure it's got all the detail that you want it to. And fourth, and most importantly, make sure you explain the room of improvement and what you want to be changed, because the early stages are the main part of the decision-making process, and it's important that you use that opportunity to the absolute maximum. I learned that in the legislative process, there's a lot of room for stakeholders to engage with the law-making process. But what I think I learnt the most is there are various ways to lobby via AMs directly with the government and via the committee. And I think all of those combined do give a sufficient say in the legislative process at this stage.